our luck, buddy. Alright. You ready to go, Papa? Woo! Broom. Broom. I love when he do that. Yo, man, first off, let's just get this out of the way, man. Y'all see the hat, man. Y'all see the hat. It was a rough game, man. It was a rough game. Not really much I can say about it. It was a rough game, man. It was a rough game, but I mean, I thought we was gonna go in there and at least keep up with them, but man, they came out swinging. And I mean, Brady looked like Brady 2.0 that day. So tell him. But anyway, y'all see the title, man. Listen, I honestly think Ford pushed their luck, man. Mind you, just let the car warm up a little bit. I do like that new GT500 is absolutely crazy. The hood, the new facelift in the front, the whole wide body look. It looked mean, man. But y'all know I had to make a video because they was coming for the demon, y'all. And that y'all know Mopar people, we ain't having that. We not having it at all. So let me just replay this clip for y'all.
Venom kills demons.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? That nigga's tripping.
With that being said, I think Ford fucked up, and this is why. They knew this GT500 wasn't gonna beat the Demon. I feel like they already knew that. This GT500 is probably gonna be faster than the old Hellcats, meaning the 2015 and the 2015s and like to 2018s. That's pretty much it. I think that's it. That's with them saying that Venom kills demons and them saying that the car is only gonna have 700 horsepower. What? Like, that's it? Like, Ford, come on, man. 10 years, that's it? Now, give or take, let's say 780, 790. If that was the case, it would have, my guess is it would have been 750 plus. That's just me. This is all speculation, but 700 plus, so you telling me somewhere around 720, 730, like, that's it. like when I see now, I'm just like, and then when they wasn't releasing the horsepower numbers, I feel like they were so like scared about it because their horsepower numbers are gonna be so much lower than every Mopar performance vehicle that we have. So again, I'm not trying to take shots at anything, but 40, I made a big mistake, man, hyping it up and making it seem like it was gonna beat demons and beat anything else. Mind you, Dodge is working on another vehicle, another high horsepower vehicle. So even when this GT500 finally does come out, it's not gonna beat the latest model of Dodge anyway. Give me 1 second though, I'll be right back. Yeah, I'm gonna let y'all think on that real quick. This is 3 reasons why I feel like Ford kind of messed up. Now, the first thing is the design of the vehicle. I would honestly say Ford did do a pretty good job with the design of the vehicle. It looks good. The wheels look sick. The carbon fiber exposed wheel. The new spoiler that's on the back. The Recaro seats are amazing with the white stitching and like the bolster part. Then the rest of the seats black. I hear him. He breaking down facts for y'all, man. He telling y'all everything about the car. I just don't know it. But you got the, what else is up with the new hood? The hood, it looks amazing. And then after you get past design, you got to get the power aspect. You know, that's what everybody want to know, the specs, the power, everything. Them releasing 700 plus after months of saying that it's gonna be a demon killer, man. I honestly wasn't too excited about that. The 700 plus is just like, bro, we were in the 700 pluses 5 years ago. Like, what's going on? Like, if Ford knew this was gonna be a track performance car, they should have never took shots at Dodge, or whoever the guy was should have never made that comment. Because now Ford has to live up to that comment, and which so far doesn't look like that's what's gonna happen. So I just want to say, man, Dodge, we still winning, baby. Mopar, we still winning. So I don't know, man. We got an 840 horsepower car. I think even on the street, I still think the Demon would kill the GT500. So obviously the GT500 is gonna beat the Demon on the track. Duh. Like the Demon has no track setup at all. It was not meant to ever see a track. It's a drag strip car. So I know you got all the Ford people saying, oh, this is gonna kill the Demon on the track, duh, of course, because that's the only thing Ford could find to beat the Demon on is the track. Streets, drag strip, the Demon will eat the GT500 alive, and that's just my opinion, man. You still got, and it doesn't honestly matter about the horsepower, because the suspension of the Demon is just set up to eat the drag strip alive, man. So even with that being said, I don't know what the GT500 came for, because there's really no car I see that it's beating. Even the red eye is gonna be like kind of like I don't know, like it may beat it on the track, and that's like by a slight margin with 797 horsepower. So, and again, you still looking at different numbers with that, but all said and done, man, I love the new vehicle. I just didn't like the aspect of them saying, hey, this is gonna be a Demon killer. We're gonna knock it out of the waters. They're gonna be like, what's the Demon? Like, no. Like, this GT500 is the best in its own way. That's pretty much it. I applaud Ford for finally getting the product out. I mean, finally, because I've been dying to see it and wait on it. So, again, all the Ford people that watching this video, if you are, listen, no shots to y'all, man. I just wanted to just make it known that, man, yeah, the guy who shouted out Venom kills demons, he screwed up by saying that, man. Now he put you on a higher pedestal than that car can pretty much get y'all to. So at least when we talk our shit, we back it up. Don't say things you don't mean, Ford. That's all I want to say. If y'all can't back it up, leave it at home, brothers. Leave it at home, because I don't want to see none of these GT500 people crying. I think it should have been an automatic and a manual option. So, but who knows? It was only the Detroit release. They still got till the end of this year to do whatever they want with it and put more whatever, you know. They can always make changes in the next 6-7 months, but the car won't be out for a while. I don't know if any of y'all watched the live stream from Stangmo. I love his channel. Stangmo, he seemed like a really cool dude. He's the Mustang channel on YouTube. He went over and talked to the Mopar guy, and he was just like, what do you think about the 700 plus? And the guy was just like, that's cute. And I just laughed like, yeah.
What is it, more than 700 horsepower?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah.
That's cute.
Yeah, what do you think? Because I know.
Like, it's 700 horsepower, man. Like, you guys, I feel like you guys could have pushed a lot more ponies out of the GT500, man. This should have been like 1,000 horsepower. Like, you were supposed to like shock everybody. And I feel like when they said 700 plus, everybody was just like, okay, that's good power. That's decent power. I mean, mind you, 700 horsepower is a lot of power. But compared to like every other vehicle that's been coming out for the last 5 years, it's already been in the 650s, 700s, 750s, you know, around that range already. So when they said 700, everybody's just like, that's pretty good, that's decent. Because to us, 700 is like a standard starting point now, you know. Like, I don't know if y'all understand that, but because the horsepower numbers have been set so high now, 700 is just like, that's all right, you know. That's good. That's good power. It's not like, oh my god, 700. You know, remember when 700 was like, what, 700 horsepower? Now it's just like, that's okay. We want to see more. So I was kind of disappointed on the horsepower numbers. That's all. Other than that, the car is amazing. The way they announced it, the way they dropped it from the ceiling was amazing. Like, that was like the craziest thing I've ever seen. But I think if Ford wouldn't have made any comments to Mopar, it would have been a lot more exciting. I am a Mopar guy. This is a Mopar channel. I love every vehicle. I like any type of sports car. I respect any type of sports car. Say bye to him, Papa. We in the process of pretty much buying a house right now, so we gotta go in Big Lots. We going to get some containers so we can start packing up. Oh my god, take a shoe off. All right, y'all, that's all we got for y'all today, man. We out, man. Peace. Not gonna do your wave. Bye bye.